Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mubah Mehreen. I welcome you all on behalf of AFAQ online learning platform for new Sun series Grade 3 Mathematics. This video is for teacher, parents and students as well. Before moving towards the lesson, I want to tell you that what makes AFAQ unique. It is the planning. Planning is very essential. Without planning, we cannot complete our curriculum in required time. So AFAQ has developed the academic calendar for this. The academic calendar is divided into 3 periodic terms, and each periodic term consists of 2 periodic units, and each periodic unit consists of 6 weeks, in which 5 weeks is allocated for learning and teaching and 6 weeks is for assessment. It's a beginning of week 3. Let's see what we have in week 3. In week 3 we are going to cover these SLOs and these concepts. Week 3 is divided into 7 lesson plans for the ease of the teachers. It's an activity time. In this SLO, we are going to develop multiplication table for 9. To cover this, the methodology has been given in DLP 1, which falls in term 1 unit 2 week 3 of day 1. On page number 44, we are going to develop the table of 9. The methodology is same we discussed in the previous lecture as we developed the table of 8, 6, 5. So, in the same methodology we are going to develop the table of 9. इसमें भी हमारे पास सेम वही चीज़ है, like 1 times 9 is 9 and 1 9s are 9. अगर हम 9 को 2 दफ़ा ऐड करेंगे तो हमारे पास आंसर आएगा 18, और सेम इसी तरह अगर मैं 2 मल्टीप्लाई करूँ 9 से तो हमारे पास फिर आंसर आएगा 18. और अगर हम एक 9 ऐड करते जाएं नेक्स्ट नंबर के साथ जो कि बढ़ रहे हैं, तब हमारे पास ये टेबल डेवलप होता चला जाएगा लाइक इन दिस फॉर्म. लाइक आप लास्ट वाला देख लें, इसमें 10 times 9 रिटर्न है. अगर मैं 10 times 9 को ऐड करूं तो मेरे पास आंसर आएगा 90. तो हम इस तरह ये टेबल डेवलप करेंगे. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस कंसेप्ट. सो मूव टूवर्ड्स द एक्टिविटी. ऑन पेज नंबर 46 हेयर इज़ द हाउस गिवन. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी. हमने क्या करना है, हमने इस हाउस को कलर करना है. जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिजिट्स यहाँ पे लिखे हैं लाइक 5 8s are, हमारे पास क्या आंसर आ रहा है वो आंसर आपने इनमें से मैच करना है. और अगर जो आंसर यहाँ पे मैच होगा तो फिर हमने उसको यहाँ पे कलर फिल कर देने हैं. मैं एक एग्जांपल आपको सॉल्व करके बताती हूँ कैसे. लाइक 3 9s are 27. सो हमने क्या किया, 27 हमारे पास ऑरेंज कलर में है तो हमने उधर ऑरेंज कलर फिल कर दिया इसके रूफ पर. चिमनी पे हमारे पास क्या था 5 into 8, तो हमारा आंसर क्या आया 40. तो 40 यहाँ पे ब्राउन में इंडिकेशन थी तो हमने इस चिमनी को ब्राउन कलर से फिल कर दिया. तो बाकी भी आपने सारे मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर्स मैच करने हैं और जो कलर यहाँ गिवन है उसको आपने यहाँ पर फिल कर देना है. इट्स एन एक्टिविटी टाइम. इन दिस SLO वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई 2 digit number by 1 digit number. To cover this, the methodology has been given in DLP 2, which falls in term 1 unit 2 week 3 of day 2. Okay, now we are going to multiplying 2 digit number by 1 digit number without carrying. Let's see the example. There are 3 jars. Each jar has 32 beads. How many beads are there altogether? Now we are going to multiply this 32 with 3 jars and we will have the answer. Step 1, we have to write 32. Then we place the 3 digit in the ones value. So in the multiplication there is always a rule. We start from the ones. Like we have to multiply ones with the ones like this. 3 2s are 6. The answer is 6. Now write in the place of ones. And then the second step is we have to multiply this ones with this tens. 3 3s are 9. So write 9 on the place of tens. The answer is 96. In the multiplication, the answer is also known as product. So I hope you understood this concept of the multiplication. Let's move towards the exercise. Students, here is the exercise. You have to practice and solve this multiplication sum and checked it by your parents or teacher. It's an activity time. Let's move towards the other concept. In this SLO, we are going to multiply 2 digit number by 1 digit number. To cover this, the methodology has been given in DLP 3, which falls in term 1 unit 2 week 3 of day 2. We are going to multiplying 2 digit number by 1 digit number with carrying. Here is again a statement question. Read the statement very carefully, then divide it into 2 parts. One's the givens and second one is solution. And what we have to find, how many candies are there altogether? There are 2 packs of candies. Each pack has 65 candies. How many candies are all together? To find the total number of the candies, multiply 65 by 2. So write 65, then write 2 on the ones place like this. Then you have to start from the right side. First multiply ones with the ones, then this ones with the tens. So solve this question by your own and checked it by the teacher or parents. Here is the multiplication exercise. You have to solve it by your own. I will solve first question for you. Like here is written 22 and here is written 2. We are going to multiply ones with the ones. It's a first step in multiplication. When we multiply 2 with 2, the answer is 4 and you have to write 4 here. Then the second step is we multiply this 2 with the tens place digit. And when we multiply 2 to the 4, the answer is 4. So the total answer is 44 and it is also known as product. So solve the rest of the exercise by your own. It's an activity time. Let's move towards the other concept. In this SLO, we are going to multiply 2-digit number by 1-digit number. To cover this, the methodology has been given in DLP 4, which falls in term 1 unit 2 week 3 of day 3. On page number 50, here are some multiplication questions. So student, you have to solve this question by your own under the basis of the methodology we discussed in the previous lecture. It's an activity time. In this SLO, we are going to multiply a number by 0 and 1. To cover this, the methodology has been given in DLP 5, which falls in term 1 unit 2 week 3 of day 4. On page number 51, we are going to multiply 0 or with 1. Students, here is the statement, like when we multiply a number by 0, it means we are multiplying it by nothing. It means when we multiply 0 number with any digit, the answer will be 0 because 0 means nothing. For example, 5 into 0, the answer is 0. When we multiply 67 into 0, the answer is again 0. If we multiply 100 with 0, the answer will be 0 because 0 means nothing in the multiplication. And when we multiply 1, the answer will be the same. Like if I are going to multiply 3 with 1, the answer will be 3. If we are going to multiply 5 with 1, the answer will be 5. So it means 0 means nothing, and when we multiply 1, the answer will be the same digit. On page number 52, here is the exercise. You have to multiply the digits with 0 and with 1. Let's see part number A. When I multiply 2 with the 0, the answer will be 0. So students, solve the rest of the exercise by your own under the presence of the teachers or your parents. It's an activity time. Let's move towards the other concept. In this SLO, we are going to apply mental mathematical strategies to multiply 1-digit number to 1-digit number. To cover this, the methodology has been given in DLP 6, which falls in term 1 unit 2 week 3 of day 4. Here is the mental multiplication. By recalling multiplication tables, we can easily multiply 1-digit number by 1-digit number in our heads. So what it means? It means आपको सारे टेबल्स याद होने चाहिए, लाइक 7, 6, 5, तो आपके लिए मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेंटली बहुत आसान हो जाएगी. जैसे कि अगर मेरे पास डिजिट्स हैं 2, 7, अगर मुझे 2 का टेबल आता है तो मैं फ़ौरन से पहले रिकॉल करूँगी 2 का टेबल, और जब मैं 7 नंबर तक पहुँचूँगी तो मेरे पास उसका आंसर आ जाएगा, लाइक 2 7s are 14. सो इसी तरह आपको ईजियर नंबर के टेबल्स याद होना बहुत ज़रूरी हैं, जो कि मेंटल कैलकुलेशन में बहुत हेल्पफुल हैं. लाइक 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21. I hope you understood this mental calculation of multiplication. On page number 53, here is the exercise of mental calculation of multiplication. You have to recall the table of 3. When it comes to 8, then you have to stop and you have to write the answer here. I will solve part number A for you. Recall the table of 3 with me. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. I have to stop here. Now the answer is 3 8s are 24. So solve the remaining by your own. It's an activity time. Let's move towards the other concept. In this SLO, we are going to solve real life situations involving multiplication of 2-digit number by 1-digit number. To cover this, the methodology has been given in DLP 7, which falls in Term 1, Unit 2, Week 3 of Day 5. Here is a statement question of multiplication. Let's read the statement question with me. There are 16 jars with 7 candies in each. How many candies are there altogether? We have to multiply 16 digit with the 7 to get the answer. So write total numbers of jars 16, number of candies in each jar 7. Now we have to do multiplication. Multiply 7 with 6. 7 6 are 42. Give 4 carry to the tens place like this and write remaining part here in the ones place. Now multiply this number with the tens place digit. So now we are going to multiply 7 ones are 7 and we have to add this carry. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So the total number of the candies is 112. I hope you understood this multiplication sum. Let's move towards the exercise. On page number 54, here is a statement question of multiplication. You have to solve this question by your own. It's a beginning of week 4. Let's see what we have in week 4. We are going to cover these all SLOs and these concepts. Week 4 is divided into 7 lessons planned for the guidance of the teacher. It's an activity time. Let's see the concept. In this SLO, we are going to solve real life situations involving multiplication of 2-digit number by 1-digit number. To cover this, the methodology has been given in DLP 1, which falls in Term 1, Unit 2, Week 4 of Day 1. Here is the worksheet given. You have to solve this worksheet by your own under the presence of your parents or teacher. Here we have the statement question. Let's read the statement with me. There are 36 paint tubes in one pack. How many paint tubes are there in 7 packs? First we divide statement in the given part and second what we have to find. So write paint tubes in one pack, which is 36. Total number of the packs is 7. We are going to multiply this digit with this number. So do this multiplication in the rough work, and when there is the product, it means when there is the answer, you have to write it here with the statement what you have to find. Like there are 252 paint tubes altogether. So it's the answer of the statement. It's an activity time. Let's move towards the other concept. In this SLO, we are going to solve real life situations involving multiplication of 2-digit number by 1-digit number. To cover this, the methodology has been given in DLP 2, which falls in Term 1, Unit 2, Week 4 of Day 2. Here is a statement question. A tricycle has 3 wheels. How many wheels are there on 33 tricycles altogether? You have to multiply this 33 with this 3 to find the number of wheels are there on 33 tricycles. So you have to solve this question by your own and do the multiplication in your rough work. It's an activity time. Let's move towards the other concept. In this SLO, we are going to recall the concept of the whole portion. To cover this, the methodology has been given in DLP 3, which falls in Term 1, Unit 2, Week 4 of Day 2. Here are some important points for you. It is related to the multiplication. What are these? The result of multiplication is called the product, as we discussed in the previous lecture. When we multiply a number with 0, the answer is always 0. And when we multiply the number with 1, the answer is number itself. So solve this exercise by your own. It's an activity time. Let's move towards the other concept. In this SLO, we are going to recall the concept of the whole portion. To cover this, the methodology has been given in DLP 4, which falls in Term 1, Unit 2, Week 4 of Day 3. Here are some exercise questions for you, and there is some important information as we discussed in the previous lecture. Now we are going to start the topic division, and we are going to cover these concepts. It's an activity time. Let's move towards the concept. In this SLO, we are going to divide 2-digit number by a 1-digit number with 0 remainder. To cover this, the methodology has been given in DLP 5, which falls in Term 1, Unit 2, Week 4 of Day 4. Here is a division question with the physical presentations of ball. What we have to do? Hamza wants to put 25 balls into 5 boxes equally. So we are going to divide this 25 with this 5 digit. Division means to share things or objects equally. We will elaborate the previous statement with this example. Like we have to divide these 40 beads into 4 groups equally. Let's count how many beads are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In each row there are 10 beads. So it means 10, 20, 30, 40. These 40 beads we are going to divide into 4 groups. So write 40 in the division symbol and then divide 4. When we recall the table of 4, the answer will be 10. 4 tens are 40. So we write this 10 here and the answer is 10. So we comes to know that when we divide 40 beads into 4 groups equally, then each group contains these 10 beads. I hope you understood the concept of the division. It's an activity time. Let's move towards the concept. In this SLO, we are going to divide 2-digit number by a 1-digit number with 0 remainder. To cover this, the methodology has been given in DLP 6, which falls in Term 1, Unit 2, Week 4 of Day 4. In this slide, we are going to divide 48 with 4. सबसे पहले हमने फर्स्ट स्टेप में ये करना है कि हमने डिवीजन का सिंबल लगाना है. जिस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है वो हमने इस सिंबल के अंडर रखना है और जिससे हमने मल्टीप्लाई करना है वो हमने लेफ़्ट साइड पे रखना है, जैसे कि यहाँ आपको 4 दिख रहा है. अब हमने सेकंड स्टेप में क्या करना है, हमने 4 का टेबल रिसाइड करना है कहाँ पर ये फर्स्ट डिजिट जो है वो प्लेस होता है. लेट्स रिकॉल द टेबल ऑफ 4. 4 ones are 4. Oh yes, it means it is the same. So write 4 ones are 4. The remainder is 0. Now the second step is what we are going to do. We are going to multiply this 4 with this 8. अब थर्ड स्टेप हमने क्या करना है, जब हमारे पास 4 ones are 4 ये रिमाइंडर आ गया 0, तो हमने सेकंड डिजिट को देखना है कि 8 कहाँ लाए करेगा. फिर हमने दोबारा 4 का टेबल पढ़ना है. तो फिर मेरे साथ पढ़ें 4 का टेबल. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. तो हमारे पास 8 आ गया. ये 4 twos are 8. तो हमारे पास अगेन रिमाइंडर 0 आ गया. तो इसका मतलब 48 12 पे डिवाइड हो जाता है 4 से. 4 12s are 48. I hope you understood the concept of the division. Now here are some exercise for you. You have to solve this exercise by your own under the presence of your parents or teacher. It's an activity time. Let's move towards the concept. In this SLO, we are going to apply mental mathematical strategies to divide 1-digit number by a 1-digit number. To cover this, the methodology has been given in DLP 7, which falls in Term 1, Unit 2, Week 4 of Day 5. On page number 59, here is a mental division. Now we are going to discuss the mental division question. Multiplication tables can help us to divide numbers mentally. Let's divide 8 by 2. Recall the 2 times table and find out what number when multiplied by 2 equals to 8. In this question, we have to recall the table of 2. When we recall the table of 2, when we multiply 4 times 2, the answer will be 8. You have to recall the table of easier number. Okay? Then you have the mental division easily. I hope you understood this mental division concept. Let's move towards the activity. You have to solve this question by your own under the presence of your parents or teacher. It's the beginning of week 5. In this week 5, we are going to revise all the concepts we discussed in the previous lectures. In week 5, the lessons plans is given for the ease of the teachers. And here are some worksheets given for the sake of the practice for the students. Math is a subject which need a lot of practice. So you have to solve this worksheet. You will get the grip on the concepts. In the week 5, there are some DLPs given according to the day scheduling. So this is the methodology given in the DLPs for the guidance of the parents or teacher. I hope you understood all the lessons we discussed in the lectures. We will meet in the next video inshallah. Until then, Allah Hafiz, take care.